You have the JSonParser program, and I'm going to show you the way it works. To do a find, you just type find and whatever you're looking for in your file. But before we do a find, I'm going to show you the contents of the test.json file by typing show all. And there you can see there's Derek, his age and his friends, and Tina, her age and her friends. So if you needed to know Derek's age, you could say find Derek age, and it returns 44. Find Tina friends, and return it. You can search, because this is a key value. The friends are a key / array. And then you would find it like this. Find one of the ways. Find friends and Tina. Let's just go for Tina. Tina is, as far as array, it's Derek is 0, Tina is 1. So you go 1. And I typed find friends 1. Okay, and of course there you got her. Now if you want to access let's just say Lee and Derek's friends, you would say find Derek, capital D, Derek friends, access Lee is 0, 1, 2, so 2, and it should bring back Lee. To change a value, you would say like we're going to change Brenda to Amanda, and you would type change Tina friends and Brenda is 2 equals Amanda. Was Kina, now is Amanda. And just to be on the safe side for you to see, I'll clear this out and I'll say show all. Oh, I typed the wrong freaking one. That's okay, I should have said 0, 1. Oh wait, anyway, so you can see you can change it and then change it back. Next, we're going to load another file called Justice Videos. So I'm going to say load file, and I'm going to select option 3 for Justice Videos. Justice Videos is my version of Blockbuster, where you go in and you rent your movies and stuff like that. So it is a fairly long file because you have a lot of customers in it, as well as movies, snacks, and of course the owners of it. Which Justice Video, if you don't know who these is, Justice Video is owned by Damon Wayne, and everybody that's employed is Robin. If you call them, if you get rid of the 8s, it spells out Robin. So no matter who answers, you're talking to Robin. Okay, so clear it out. Say you want to access just the email. So you can do a find email, and it'll show you their email. Or you could do find store dot email. I believe that's how you go. Yes. Okay. Just to make sure, so this video won't go on too long. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now say I want to access Nebit. Nebit is a kind of a hero character, superhero character from Black Sands. Check out their YouTube channel. It's very good. But say you want to find out what's her phone number. So you would say find find okay. Find me me bet phone. And because she's from Egypt, you have the international calling number. If you want to find John Stewart, the Black Green Lantern, if you want to find out what he's watching, you could say find customers, and being that it's an array, it's the second one down, so it'll be one dot movies. It should bring back what he's looking at. Another way for you to find it was you could say type Jon Stewart's movies and such. You can find things like find Twix, and it should tell you where it's found within the system. So here it says it's in bars 12 element 0. So you'd say find bars, because it is a key array, 12 element 0, which should bring back Twix. Sorry, apologize if that's getting too blurry each time I'm type. Okay, clear. And finally, you can find non-key arrays by typing in the square brackets right next to the keyword. But if you're using keyed arrays, then you separated the arrays, the brackets away from the keyword. So we're looking for a DVD that's at 0.3, a two-dimensional array, which gives you back the entire list of there with the actual element being DBZ. In the math section of the program, so that you can do calculations, these are some of your predefined, for at least for the Justice video, these are some of your predefined variables that you can access for calculations. So like this would be like an old movie, that's a new movie, that's a candy bar, those are gummies, of course, box of candies, and the popcorn, and of course you know their prices. So say Peter Parker, which he would be the third person in the list. He checked out 2 new movies plus and bought a box of candy. Then 2 new movies would be $5 each, and then the box of candy would be $4. So your total should be $14. So you type in that and you'll go. For your math, you should separate your operands, your operators, and your parentheses with spaces. It makes it look better. Plus, programmatically, it's splitting by the spaces. So you got 2 times. To access the variable, you just use this up symbol. New movies, space, plus B can be. Now, when I do show all, his original value was 20, and so it should drop to 14, which we're gonna go through. Diana, Tony Stark, Clark Kent, Rachel Roth, Helen Parr, Peter Parker. Value was 14, and he rented Using Gamma Rays by Reed Richards and Building Mecha Suits by Tony Stark. So that is how you would use this program. It is an inline. Class, so you should be able to drop it in your main project and utilize it exactly the way I utilize it, or as long as you set up your setup and I believe your titles, which are public functions. Everything else can be custom made to how you want it. The project is open source, so you can run with it and do whatever you want to with it. Thanks.